Namaskar, myself Somnath Nandy, and I am here to present my oral exam on the subject Science in Sanatan 2. I am from Master's Program in Indian Knowledge System from Bhishma School of Indian Knowledge System, and my topic for the day is Ancient Water Management, Herbal Desalination, and Rainfall Prediction. So, as we know, our country is a basin of many rivers, yet uh, places which are far from the sea, in the landlocked areas, often there is a problem of getting saline water underground. Now, this happens when, due to water scarcity, but the rate of evaporation is more, leading to ionic accumulations within the groundwater, so that there are more quantity of ions in the water than is permissible in the potable water limit. So this results in water tasting salty, or tepid, or foul smelling, or which is not suitable for drinking. So, in our ancient texts, acharyas like Dhanvantari, Charak, and Varamira, they have evolved various systems for getting rid of this salination problem and desalinate the water, or making it potable. So, in the 54th chapter, entitled Dakar Galam, in the Brihat Samhita, Varamira gives some medicinal formulas by which the water can be desalinated. He says that we have to mix Bhadra Musta, Usira, Raja Koshataka, Amlaka, and Kataka. These have to be mixed and stirred with waters for purification, and also uh, they are to be brewed to make a sharab preparation or an alkaline preparation. These as has been stated in the Charaka Samhita. All other ingredients are mixed in this shara and dropped into the well. So this is how the water can be purified and made it suitable for drinking. And it is said that around 4 or 5 days are required to desalinate the well and to make it suitable for drinking. Next, we come to rainfall prediction. Now, rainfall prediction is a very interesting subject that has been developed quite nicely by our sages, especially Maharishi Parashar. In the Krishi Parashar, he has described various positions of stars and planets, and also forms of clouds which help predict rainfall. So, first of all, the rain depends on the state of clouds according to the ruling planet of the month, the ruling planet of the year, and then again pre-indication for storms, cyclones, and etc. This helps the farmer plan out how he's gonna place his crops, and when it will be an appropriate time to cut them, so that they are not destroyed by the storms. It is said in the Krishi Parashar, Brushti Mula Krishi Sarva Krishi Mulon Graji. This means that rain is the basis for agriculture and for farmers. So according to the Parashar Rishi, the ruling planet of the year also controls rainfall. So he has provided a formula where he states that the ruling sakabda has to be multiplied by 3. Then 2 is to be added to the product, and after that the remainder the after adding 2, the number has to be divided by 7. After being divided by 7, whatever remainder comes, so that represents the king planet or the ruling planet of the year, and the fourth planet from the king planet is the minister planet. So it has been said that if the king planet is the sun, then we have moderate rainfall, whereas if the king planet is the moon, there is heavy rainfall. If the king planet is Mars, there is scanty rainfall, less rainfall, and if the ruling planet is Mercury, then we have good rainfall, and if it is also Jupiter and also Venus, they also give good rainfall. Again, if the ruling planet is Saturn, there is very less or like almost no rainfall, and it's a dusty climate. Then Maharshi Parashar also describes the various clouds that provide an indication of what the rainfall will be like. So he provides four categories of clouds. They are the Abartak, Sambartak, Pushkar, and Drona. So Abartak means, so according to Parashar Rishi, he also has a formula for determining the clouds. Like it will he has said that according like the year of the Shakabda, we have to add 3 to it. Then we have to divide the result by 4. Then whatever remainder comes, that determines the type of cloud in that year. So if the remainder is 1, then the cloud is called Abartak. Abartak means infant cloud. And if the remainder is 2, then the cloud is Sambartak, a young cloud. If the remainder is 3, then the cloud is Pushkar or matured cloud, and if the remainder is 4, then it is drone cloud or an old cloud. So when we have an abartak cloud, then there is rainfall in some parts. When there is a dominating cloud is sambartak, then we have rain in almost all parts of the country. And if the dominating cloud is pushkar, matured cloud, then we have lesser rainfall. And if the dominating cloud is drona, old drona, then we have heavy rainfall. Now, according to the type of clouds in a year, the crops are planned. Maharishi Parashar has also offered a description of the crops, etc., which needed to be planned according to the cloud specification of the year. So when we have about the clouds, then uh, white paddy yields more, and also there is other varieties they don't yield so much. And flowers and fruits like banana, jasmine, hibiscus, sweet potato, kumuda, ketaki, etc. Grow. And fishes like bhakur, kerandi, and rohi are also found in large numbers. Then we have the samvartaka cloud. Then Samvartaka cloud also gives a greater cultivation of the wide variety of superfine paddy, and also coconut, mango, jamun fruits, and flowers like jasmine, malati, champak, ketaki, rose, carbaria, etc. They are also available in huge numbers. Next, fishes like maguna, balia, gadisa, etc. They also thrive. Next, when the year is dominated with the pushkar cloud, then there will be both white and red colored varieties of paddy available, and also jackfruit, black gram, green gram, horse gram, lentil like pulses, rajma, etc. This will be more, and also trees like tulsi, champak, kanak, bola, etc. They flower more, and fishes like mangur, kerandi, kaltabanisi, etc. They also grow in large numbers. Next, in the Drona cloud also the superfine rice will be more, and also vegetables like bottle gourd, cucumber, ash gourd, etc. they grow more, and also flowers like wild jasmine, champak, dudabana, etc. they will grow more, and fishes like mahurali, prawn, etc. they will also they'll also be more. And apart from this, when will we have a rainfall? There are also some injunctions in the Shastras which help determine that whether there will be rainfall immediately or not. Like the sky with the color of crow's eyes or crow's eggs, like a pale bluish color, and salt being moist, then the subdued wind, then repeated croaking of frogs, cats scratching the ground, and accumulation of rust on iron and bronze vessels, etc. These help determine that rainfall is approaching. And also other symptoms like ants shifting their eggs, cows unwilling to go out, dogs standing on the roofs of houses and barking continuously, then mating of snakes, etc. Also suggests that rainfall is coming. And also when there is no rainfall, then the Taittiriya Samhita outlines a process called the Karirashti, This Karireshti is a kind of yagya which requires the offering of dry karira fruits mixed with honey as an offering onto the fire. When this havan is done, then a black smoke arises and it rises up to the sky, onto the clouds, and it instigates the process of artificial rain. And rain is so much that even the sky is said to be covered with the cloud bearing clouds, and the sun cannot be seen. So these are the various techniques that have been outlined in the shastras to deal with to predict rainfall, or to what to do when there is no rainfall, etc., so that we don't face a problem and crops etc. can be cultivated and there is water available for mankind to use. Thank you so much.